Today our topic is how to make the trigonometric table. That is very important topic. If someone understands how to make the trigonometric table, he can understand or we can say solve so many sums easily in the simple way. So today I will explain how to make the trigonometric table by a very simple method. You can understand easily and you can make the table within 2 minutes. Let us start. For making trigonometric table, first of all write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. After that divide 1 by 4, 4, 4, 4. And then find the square root of each. Solve it. First of all we get 0. Here we will get 4 the square root, that is 2. ये अपने को solve हो गया 1 by 2 the square root. Next 3 the square root over 2. 1 the square root, that is 1. So after that write angle of all of these. First of all start from 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Here you get some answer like this. Then if we see the trigonometric ratio, that is first of all we get sine theta. After that cos theta. So by this method we have to solve the first row. From this we get the value of sine theta of all the tables. That is, if somebody like to find the value of sine 60 degree, you see sine from here 60, that is 3 the square root over 2. Like this we can find the values of other like cos theta, tan theta, etc. So let us start with the cos theta. To find the value of cos theta, just reverse the first row. Like start from the last. First of all come 3, after that 3 the square root over 2, next 1 by 2 the square root, next 1 by 2 and last one is 0. After that tan theta that is sine theta over cos theta. So put the value of sine theta that is 0, cos theta is 1. We get answer 0. After that 1 by 2 over 3 the square root over 2. 1 by 2 multiply 2 over 3 the square root. We get 1 over 3 the square root. Here same value we get 1. Here we get 3 the square root. Here we get infinity, or we can say not defined. So like this we can find the next value, that is secant theta. That is 1 upon sine theta. After that secant theta, that is 1 upon cos theta. After that is cot theta, that we get 1 upon tan theta. Like this you can find the value of all the angles by putting the values of first. So what we have seen, we have to remember the first thing, the first row. How to find the first row, that is important. After that we have to see these some 3-4 formulas. From this we can complete our table. Now we see the problem based on the trigonometric table. How to solve these problems? Let us start now. First of all we start with the sum number 1. Evaluate sine 60 degree, cos 30 degree plus sine 30 degree, next cos 60 degree. So from the trigonometric table, first of all you put the values of sine 60, that is 3 square root over 2, multiply cos 30, that is 3 square root over 2, plus sine 30, that is 1 by 2, and next is cos 60, that is also 1 by 2. Next, that is 3 multiply 3, 9 the square root, that is 3. Yeah, multiplication of 3 square root by 3 square root, we get answer 3, and the denominator 4 plus again numerator 1, denominator 4. Last we say take the LCM 4, 3 plus 1, that is 4 over 4, we get 1 answer. So like this we can solve the problem related to these angles. Like by using the trigonometric table, we can solve this type of problem in the simple way. First of all, from the starting, you draw the trigonometric table in the rough side here or on the back side of the answer sheet in the exam. After that, you see the values from that table and put here. After simplification, we will get the answer easily. Now we will continue the our topic. We solve now next sum. Evaluate 5 cos square 60 plus sin square secant square 30 minus tan square 45 upon sin square 30 plus cos square 30 degree. So first of all, we put the values from the table. Cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree, that is 1.2 the square root plus 4. Secant 30 degree. Value of secant 30 degree is 2 upon 3 the square root square minus tan 45, that is 1 the square, upon sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree is 1.2 the square plus cos 30 degree, that is 3 the square root over 2 whole square. So now next 5 1.4 plus 4 multiply 4 over 3 minus 1 upon 1.4 plus 3 upon 4. Next we get 5 multiply 1 5 upon 4 plus 4 multiply 4 16 upon 3 minus 1 upon 1 by 4 plus 3 upon 4. We have to take the LCM from 4 and 3. We get the LCM of 4 and 3, that is 12. Here we get 15 plus 64 minus 12 upon again LCM of 4 and 4, that is 4, 1 plus 3. But we get here 79 minus 12 upon 12 and 4 upon 4. We get 67 over 12 upon 1. We get 67 over 12 answer. So like this we can solve the number of problems by putting the values of angles, different angles by using the trigonometric table. So I hope you understand, and now you will feel easy how to solve the problem like this. Thank you.